How to turn off Drive Score on Credit Karma 2025. Credit Karma's Drive Score feature surprises a lot of users. If you value privacy, you may want it off. Most people don't know how to manage it properly, but here's how it works in 2025. Drive Score tracks driving behavior through your phone to estimate insurance risk. It monitors speed, braking, and phone usage. To turn it off, open the Credit Karma app and go to Settings. Find the Drive Score or Insurance section. Select Drive Score and look for options related to data collection or participation. Disable tracking and revoke location permissions. Here's what most people miss. You also need to turn off background location access in your phone system settings for Credit Karma. If you don't revoke permissions, data collection may continue. The surprising truth is that Drive Score is optional. Turning it off does not affect your credit score. Once disabled, your driving data is no longer updated. In 2025, managing app permissions is just as important as managing finances. Take control of your data and subscribe for more privacy-focused app guides.